Hello, it's Stephanie here with Pottery Awesomeness. I'm here today to show you our Valentine's kit. First of all, you have this awesome Pottery Awesomeness box with all these fun drawings all over it. And inside the box are crayons so that you can color your box. All of the drawings were hand drawn by yours truly and are of all of the things that we carry in our studio in Virginia. We have a paint your own pottery studio called York River Pottery Company in Virginia. You can look it up online if you want to, you don't have to. But all of these drawings are of the pottery that we have in the studio, and I'm hoping to offer all of these things to you guys on the Pottery Awesomeness side online over time. Right now we have the mermaid, the unicorn, the T-Rex, and the robot. We have a seasonal kit every season. Let's look at our Valentine's kit. First thing that you see is a thank you from me to you. And flip it over, and there's a QR code that will bring you to my YouTube page, and it'll show you tutorials on how to paint everything in your kit. All right, let's dive in. The first and most awesome thing in this kit, I think, is this adorable heart cup. But you may ask, what makes it so special? Well, I'll tell you. Do you see how shiny this cup is inside? And do you see how shiny it is right here? That is because yours truly has taken the time to glaze the inside and the rim of this cup and fire it in the kiln for you guys. Luckily, I have a paint your own pottery studio that allows me to do that. So the cool thing is you can paint the bottom part of this mug with acrylic paints, and it doesn't need to be fired, and you can still use it. You can drink out of it anything you want. How adorable is that? I'm so excited about this cup. I'm hoping to add more cups like this to our line. Next up in our kit, oh, I love this box so much. Look at this adorable heart box, you guys. It is so sweet and cute. It comes in 2 pieces. It's the perfect size for jewelry. It is a great size for a rock collection. My daughter has a rock collection, mostly from our driveway, but that would be perfect for this. It would be perfect for coins. It would be perfect for her hair ties, for barrettes, anything you can think of. Next up in the kit, we have this sweet little magnet-sized heart. You can paint this, and then you can just hot glue a magnet to it and put it on your fridge or give it as a gift. Next in your kit, your paints. We have a standard color palette that includes black, 2 white, 2 different colors of red, a dark pink, a medium pink, and a light pink. If you don't want those colors in your kit, you can use whatever colors you want. You get white and black as a standard. Everybody kind of needs a little bit of those. You can add white to things and make the colors lighter. You can add black to things and make them a little bit darker, so they're very handy. And you get 6 other choices. Any other choices you want. You can use glitter paint, gold glitter, silver glitter, any color you want, no upcharge whatsoever on our website to do that. Next up in the kit, we've got our paintbrushes in here, and in this little container is your sealer and also your sealer brush. So when you're done painting it, you're gonna take your sealer brush and put a coat of glossy sealer on it. Not the inside, the inside's all done for you, but the outside you'll want to put a coat of glossy sealer on it, and that'll protect the acrylic paint and also give it a nice finished look. And I have a video on YouTube showing you how to do that. So that's it for our Valentine's kit. We have 3 wonderful pieces of pottery, your paints, your paintbrushes, your sealer, and your sealer brush. Everything you need to finish your pottery in one kit. And a coloring book included. And crayons included. And hidden pictures on the box just to add to some fun and some more activities for you to do with your children. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys love this Valentine's kit. I love, love, love it. I'm excited to do it with my own children, and I hope that you're excited to do it with yours. Please give the gift of painting this Valentine's Day. Painting is something that's wonderful for kids. You will see more and more articles written by me on the Pottery Awesomeness Facebook and Instagram pages talking about how important art is for kids. It really is. It helps them focus, it helps them with emotions, it helps them regulate their bodies, It's wonderful all around. So I hope that you will balance out some of the candy that you're giving them with the painting. So the candy will make them a little crazy and the painting will calm them. It's the perfect Valentine's Day balance. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.